Once subscribed from the web PassportScan.net, created your own account and installed the app on your mobile device, you can set up the Workspace. The Workspace hosts three main sections. Home, the operative section. Settings, section dedicated to the system's settings customization. And Support, section dedicated to the request of technical support via ticket. The Home, which is the operative section of the Workspace, has a simple and intuitive interface that enhances the speed and precision of your work through a simple PC. The Home access is allowed for all the standard users, for instance the receptionists. In this page, you can see all the features like the bookings, arrivals, documents registration, guest signatures, the section with the police report and other features, all listed on the left menu. In the main menu you can find the first section, My Branches. Enter the page where you can see all your set branches, and by clicking on Select Branches you can pick the hotel or branch to work on. Bookings. In this section you can see the day's booking list. In the top field you can search a booking. You only need to click on the loop icon and digit name and surname of the guest and the arrival date. When you retrieve the booking from the PMS, you'll see them in the central block. Each line corresponds to a booking where you can see the room number, the arrival and departure dates, the booking code generated by the PMS, the name and the number of adults and children in the booking. The settings wheel on the right shows a drop-down menu with 4 possible actions. 1. Seeing the booking. 2. Changing it. 3. Visualizing and downloading in PDF the signed privacy document or reg card. 4. Delete the booking. Please remember, the booking can be deleted only if the guest hasn't signed the privacy document. Arrivals. In this section you can see all the day's arrivals. On the top you can see the arrivals search field. In the central block, for each line, you can see the list of guests who already did the check-in. In every record you can see its booking details, name, gender, age, room number, nationality, booking code, departure date. On the right field you can see a red or green icon. If it's red, it means that the profile hasn't been checked yet. Continuing to the right you can see an icon with circular arrows that show the connection with the PMS. If the arrows are green, the data has been successfully sent. The last button is the settings wheel. Clicking on it, a drop-down menu with the following options shows up. Modify customer data, see his bookings, see the guest's documents, see signed documents. Delete customer. To modify a customer's data, click on Edit Customer. You'll find the guest's information. To see the document image clearly, just click on it. This way you can check the data and fulfill the missing ones directly from the customer's identity document copy. On the top you can find a menu where you can use other sections, Documents Info and, if needed, Customer's Address Info. In the whole Workspace there's an active function, the Google Address Research, that helps to fulfill the whole address. You only need to click on the icon inside the field and the address will auto-filling, speeding up the process. Signed forms. The signed form section is where all the privacy documents and its consents are stored permanently. In the central block find the usual search filter. You can search the document by customer name and arrival date. Otherwise you can select the arrival date only and you'll see the list of all the day's signed documents, including the desired one. Clicking on the settings wheel, a drop-down menu pops up with the following options. See document, download PDF, delete signed document. Customers. In the customer section main menu, you'll find the list of all the in-house guests. On the top find the search booking filter. In the central block you'll see the customers list. For each field corresponds the customer name, the gender, the room number, birth and residence addresses, the recognizing status icon. On the right, as per the arrivals, you'll see the icons related to the processed document, the connection with the PMS and the settings wheel. Clicking on the wheel, a drop-down menu pops up with the following options. Modify customers' data, see bookings, see documents info, see signature, delete customer. In the section Booking Group, you can see the group's booking. In the central block, on the top, find a search filter. Here's possible to digit the arrival date. Clicking on the settings, we'll find the options Modify Group, import the list in standard Excel format, Excel with the guest's details, and delete booking. Document for the police. This section is dedicated to the police report sending. In the central block, on the top, find the field where to digit the needed rooms, the creation files data selector, and other options. PassportScan Cloud will automatically generate a TXT file. You can download it in your PC, and in the usual way, send it to the police. Turismo 5. This section is dedicated to Italy's statistics report. Export. Section dedicated to export a list of customers and bookings. Branches stats. In this last section, you'll find the statistics report of the current and earlier years. PassportScan Cloud. Check in Revolution.